Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the archive of our own error code 503 service unavailable. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to open up Chrome and click on the three dot icon and select settings. On left side select privacy and security. On right side select delete browsing data. Check all these boxes and set this time range to all time and select delete data option. After doing it, just close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select view network status and task. Select your connection, select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888. In alternative DNS server, type 8844 and click on OK. And now check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for these commands just to copy and paste it one by one. After finishing all these commands, just to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, you just need to change the browser because the problem may in Chrome. You can use Brave, Firefox, Opera, or Edge as an alternative to Chrome. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.